Do you believe that your ancestors experienced social anxiety before engaging in combat? When they invaded new countries, they didn't feel anything though. Before diving into the midst of the fray, they didn't even stop to ponder. They realized that life is what it is and that you cannot pick and choose the moments you will experience. There will be happy and sad moments, but that is just how life is. People with a lack of experience to social circumstances are more susceptible to social anxiety, which is a sort of transient psychological condition. You see, keeping yourself occupied with social commitments and learning the rituals of how normal people behave will instill a sense of confidence in your own behavior and erase all issues associated to social anxiety. Anxiety may be triggered by masturbation. In a way, the majority of individuals can be pardoned for feeling social anxiety because it is quite normal to be terrified of being in a position for which you lack the necessary experience. Power operates similarly. It only makes sense that you wouldn't want to be in a scenario where you feel like you are losing control. Nobody likes to engage in activities that worsen their feelings. Fortunately, social anxiety is an issue that may be quickly resolved by committing to retention and all of its advantages. How to treat social anxiety issues with retention. The following are just a few ways that adopting the retention way of living can help you manage your social anxiety symptoms. You'll be a success-hungry person. Fapping to porn makes you feel like you are living a stable, happy, prosperous life, which is one of the key ways it lowers the quality of your life. That is a false belief. The excess dopamine and serotonin that is released after reaching peak PMO is responsible for that. Although the pleasure of masturbation is momentary, there is practically no restriction on the number of times you can do it each day, which is why it can be such an excellent alternative for reality. Operating in the real world is difficult. There are no unbiased measurements of the various variables in your environment. People have hidden intentions and things are unexpected. It can take years to improve in real-world situations. Levels of hormone balance. It's common knowledge that masturbation can raise prolactin levels. Since lactation is prolactin's primary function, it can result in severe cases of a variety of hormonal issues, including lactation itself. This picture from ResearchGate is a great illustration. Recently, we showed in a number of studies that orgasm causes prolactin to be secreted in both healthy males and females. This shows that the refractory period following an orgasm may be regulated by prolactin as a feedback mechanism. We looked into a healthy multi-orgasmic male subject's prolactin response to test this theory. Throughout the climax brought on by masturbation, blood was continually extracted. Comparing the case prolactin subject's response to that of 9 healthy adult men with a typical refractory time. 3 orgasms failed to elicit a prolactin response from the case subject. Data from this multi-orgasmic subject support the hypothesis that plasma prolactin has a role in promoting mechanisms of sexual satiation. No more mental fog. Similar to the last tip, managing your hormones will greatly improve your ability to think clearly. Retention along with a healthy diet and fitness program will result in triple-digit improvements in cognitive functioning. You will solving issues in the real world. Digital cancer includes video games, pornography, and idle web browsing. Developing problem-solving techniques for non-existent problems. You will grow better at something the more time you put into it. Introducing Mastery 101. You will become a better video gamer as you continue to play. You become a porn enthusiast if you enjoy watching porn. You'll get proficient at reading news articles created for readers with short attention spans if you read pointless, junk-level news. Your ability to read for long periods of time will decline as you read more trivia. You return to reality through retention. The main driver of your motivation to become a better person will be facing your lack of sexual fulfillment. Only until you're prepared to put up with months of social rejection will you be able to overcome your social anxiety issues. To accomplish this, you must have character strength. Keep your vital force within you. What medical procedure treats social anxiety the best? Combining exposure therapy, retention, and increasing social awareness is the most effective treatment for social anxiety. You need to improve your quality of life Put yourself out there and speak with more people. For people to appreciate your company, you need to look attractive, dress nicely, and exercise. In order to have the drive and motivation to do all of the aforementioned tasks, retention is necessary.